hello tubers. Today I'm coming to you from Central Washington with your money reality check of RVing America, because it's one of those stories that never goes away. Some people like to talk about RVing like it costs nothing and you're just flying on the wings of angels for free all across America. It's not like that, folks, in spite of what others may lead you to believe. It's actually quite costly, and we're going to go through some actual real-world numbers from my recent trip, because I've now been in America for like 1 week. There's stuff to be learned, body to be turned, it seems. Yes, there is. You got to pay your dues before it's all cookies and cream. I've been in America 1 week now, and I wouldn't call it cheap. I wouldn't call it super expensive either. But let's talk about my trip across Washington. So let's talk about 24 hours worth of expenses for me driving from Western Washington all the way to northern Idaho. 1 day's worth of expenses. First of all, about 400 miles worth of driving. And the fuel costs were exactly $130. Also, a bridge toll across the Tacoma Narrows of $6. I had lunch at Taco Time, I think at a place called, Big Bend or something, I don't know. You can add $7 to that expenses. And I ended my night north of Coeur d'Alene at an RV park across from Silverwood Theme Park. And I paid about $52 for full hookups. Add the incidentals. Let's talk about RV insurance. Most people insure them by the year, some people do it seasonally, but by the day that would add an extra $4 worth of expense for full coverage. Travel medical insurance and AAA RV towing insurance, that would add about another $1.25 per day. Gotta have it. Let's look at what that costs so far. And that's before you've spent a nickel for fun. Now, I know there's some contrarians out there that'll say, I can travel America, I don't pay for state parks because I don't go there. I don't go to national parks, so I don't pay for that. I don't go to Disneyland, I don't do theme parks, I don't go to museums, I don't go to art galleries, I don't go to sporting events, I don't go. Okay, yeah, if you're an I don't go and you don't participate in life, yes, you can RV for cheap. It's called sitting in a desert or a forest, twiddling your thumbs, waiting for life to just roll you over and for you to die. You need some cashola, some dinero, you need a little bit of wham, walking around money, so that you can enjoy all this stuff that America has to offer. So do not be fooled by some people that are these wild contrarians that say you don't even need toilet paper, because it's all hooey. It takes money to enjoy life, whether you actually live in a beautiful apartment in Manhattan or a nice beach house in Los Angeles. It doesn't matter. RVing is just like life, folks. Just like life. Everything's the same. You need health insurance. You need things to do. You need to have a shower every day. You need to pay your bills. Everything in RVing is exactly the same as a regular life. It's just you're moving around. That's it, folks. That's the reality check for today. In the meantime, folks, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Over and out. Narcissus, where the runaways head.